Hello e-talkers, welcome to our channel. My name is Ella, your guide to everything you need to know about today's topic, coming to Ireland to a language school. Get ready to clear all your doubts and start planning your adventure. Thinking about an exchange program in Ireland? You're in the right place. We're here to guide you every step of the way. And remember, if you have any questions about our study and work programs, our support team is just a message away. Don't bother just because you can't speak English. Your personal counselor will be in your own native language. Let's dive into the first step. English Talks is located in Ireland's second largest city, Cork City. Decided on Cork? Great choice. Now it's time to pick the course that suits you best, either our short-term course, that's up to 3 months, or our popular long-time course, which is up to 6 to 8 months. Enrolling is easy. Just reach out and we'll send you a link to our application form. The application form is also linked in our website. Remember, course payments are due within 1 month of arrival, but don't worry, we have a very flexible installment plan. After purchasing this course, you will need a few things for immigration, such as your passport, the acceptance letter to the school, compulsory Irish insurance, a round-trip ticket, proof of address, and financial proof. Make sure you have all your documents ready at the airport. We're here to ensure you a smooth arrival into Ireland. Our support starts the moment you land. Once you arrive in Cork, it's a simple email process, and our team will help guide you. You will need the documents mentioned earlier, as well as a visa fee. This visa fee will cover for your Irish Permanent Residence Card, otherwise known as your IRP. Got any more questions? Drop them in the comments section or contact us by mail or WhatsApp. Prepare for unforgettable memories, a new language, and a promising future. Your dream starts now.